This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating straight to Sound and Vibration or Notifications. This is where system-level tones live. Tap Notification Sound to view available options because you need to replace the default. Once done, preview a few tones so you can compare levels and character. Some are quieter or brighter. Make sure to note whether your device separates app notification sounds versus system notifications, since that determines where you change each sound next. Now choose a built-in sound or add a custom file. You want the tone to be distinct and audible in busy places. If adding, tap Add or the plus icon, Browse Files, and pick an MP3 or compatible format because incompatible files won't appear. Once you select, some phones let you trim or set start/endpoints. Do that to keep the clip short. Remember why. Shorter tones are more noticeable and less disruptive, so set a 1-3-second segment when possible. Finish by tapping Save or Apply so the system uses your new notification sound. Without that, changes won't stick. Then verify by sending yourself a test message or using the Test Sound button, because hearing it in context confirms volume and clarity. If nothing changes, check that the app itself allows custom sounds and that storage permissions let it access your file. If needed, convert the file to a common format like MP3 and re-add it. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.